Today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, I'm going to show you how to do peanut butter kiss cookies. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to start out with a stick of softened butter and a half a cup of peanut butter, just regular old peanut butter. Okay, and one egg, and a half a cup of brown sugar. You always want to pack it, and a half a cup of white sugar. And you can double this if you want, you know, of course. And I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm adding vanilla. The recipe doesn't call for it, but I think vanilla just adds I might as well finish that off. I think it adds a little bit more of a dimension to it. Then I'm going to mix that all up. With my wooden spoon. That's what you want to use, is a wooden spoon. Smells good already. That was easy. Okay, now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And this is my crunchy one, so I'm gonna make sure I put it through this. And then I'm gonna use a 3/4 teaspoon of soda. And you know, I always put these recipes in my description for you. And then I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of flour. And there we go. I'm going to mix that up. Like so. Try not to splash the flour all over. Just kind of smash it all in. I made these every year for Christmas. My kids were little. They loved them. And your kids would love to help too. Putting the kisses on the top and stuff and dumping in the sugar, and let them help. My mother never let me help. She always wanted all the cookies to be perfect. And I think that's why I love to cook and bake so much, because she never let me. She was a wonderful mother though. Okay. Got that. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375. I'm going to set that aside for a minute. And I just got a bag of regular kisses. And I got the big share size. And what you want to do is, I'm going to take one of my cookies to show you. And I'm just doing it level with the cookie scoop because I want them to be little. And I'm just gonna put it on the thing. And you take your kiss, peel it, make sure and you just press it down. Not all the way through, just kind of like that. And when I get these built, I'll get back to you. Okay, I've got these all built now. And see how you don't want to push it all the way down to the bottom. You just want to push it in till you feel that it's just gently in. And these are going to go in a 375 oven for 11 to 12 minutes. And I'll be back. Coming out of the oven. And I did bake these for 13 minutes because they turned out a lot bigger than what I thought, but they're still pretty. Look at how pretty they are. And I'm not gonna slide these off like I normally do because of the kisses. You want them to just cool on the pan. But yeah, I'm gonna go 13 minutes on these. And I'm gonna let them cool. They're still pretty. They're not as dainty as what I thought they were gonna be, but that's okay. And when they get all cooled, I'll plate them. And what else did I want to tell you? Oh well, I'll think of it. Remembered what I wanted to tell you. These yielded 25 cookies. So I gotta bake one cookie. But and you know, I got this big cookie scoop. And I'm kind of new to cookie scoops. And if I had it to do over again, I think I would get the small one for this. I mean, they are going to love these and eat them like crazy. But I think a little more dainty or a little bit prettier. So do it with the small scoop. That's what I wanted to tell you. Okay. I think these are cooled off enough. I'm just going to put 3 on the plate for right now. But look at those, how pretty they are. And I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for watching. I kind of goofed up my thing there. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Until we meet again.